Welcome!
Hi everyone, Nadia is here. Today I will make a bed skirt. Bed skirt will be lined. I have cotton lining, and size of bed is 79 inches long and 37 inches wide. Drop of bed skirt will be 14 inches. For that I prepare already fabric. I have 5 pieces of fabric, and length of fabric is drop of bed skirt plus 5 inches. So 14 plus 5, I have 19 inches long 5 pieces of fabric. For lining, I prepare again 5 pieces of cotton fabric, and length will be drop of bed skirt plus 1 inch. So my drop is 14 and the length of pieces is 15 inches. For decking, I cut again from cotton fabric piece, which is length of bed spring plus 5 inches. So if my bed is 79 plus 5, it will be 84 inches long and 37 inches wide. Now, I have to make round corners. I do radius 2.5 inches. I have template with a different radius. Here is 2.5. I just place it on the fabric. Make a line and cut around. So here will be front of bed. On opposite side, I have to iron 4 inches up, like this. And turn it in, make it double, so it will be like a double hem, 2 inches. Now decking ready for bed skirt. I will put it aside. And I will work with the fabrics now. I have to sew all pieces together in one big strip. And same with the fabric. So I will, when I put fabric this way, I just will sew it here, 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 and it goes very easy. Now I put fabric face down and press seam. All of them, each seam. Now I'm ready to make bottom hem. Our drop of bed skirt is 14 inches, so I will measure 15 inches from top to bottom. Make it 15, exactly, and we'll iron it. Again, I measure 15 inches and iron it. When I will press all the way all fabric, I will put this hem double and iron again. So I made all hem all the way, and now I will attach lining to fabric. I press all seam on the lining, and now I will put face up on the fabric. For that I will open hem and now I will place lining to this seam. So top must be goes together, but not shorter, just together. And I will put fabric lining all the way on the fabric. Like this. Now I fold up again this hem, again all the way. And I will pin bottom where is hem, again all the way, and I will pin top together, just keep them together. Again all the way, and on the ends I will make hem, side hem. I tune here 3 inches, here will be 3 inches, iron it, fold double, iron again, and pin here and here. I'll make it all the way to next end and make a same end like this on another side. Now I will go to blind stitch and make seam here and seam here. Now I have to close this corner. I will make just top stitch on the sewing machine. It looks like this. It will be inside pleat, so it doesn't matter if it looks not beautiful. It's fine. All the way. Now let's prepare decking. I already searched decking around 3 sides, and now I need find center. I fold it double, and here will be middle. I mark it with a pencil. I will mark 2 points here on the round, like this, like on the middle, on the center, I don't know where. Now I will fold it's double like this and double again and till pressed line, so it will be length like this, and I fold it this way like that and mark 2 more points here and another side. And now I will start form bed skirt. I will start from this point. Now I have to find center of these big stripes. So I have 5 of them, so it will be 1, 2, and I have to find the center on this one, on this piece. I fold it seam to seam. And here will be center. Now I place fabric face down And this is face on the decking. And pin together these marks. My bed skirt wouldn't have a pleat on the center. It will be just straight. So I will pin it straight till my mark here. Like this. Now I will measure 8 inches from mark to here. It will be my first pleat. I will fold it like this. So, like this. And pull it here. So, on the face, if I look on the face, it will be first pleat 4 inches deep. First pleat on the corner of bed. Now I'll make another 4 inches double fold, and it will be first pleat on the corner of the bed. So I put it again face down, measure 8 inches here, and fold it like this and like this, like this. Now I will pin it straight to my another mark. So here is my mark. I will put it straight to here and pin it right here. Now I will go to the end of decking here and will make end. Here I will make a pleat, only 4 inches, 2 double pleat. So I measure 4 inches, fold it like this and like this. So it will be on the end of decking. I open my ironed hem and place is to first line and pin. Now I make it straight, flat, and pin it to my mark here. So I have here pin, here is my mark, pin it here, and this is my center pleat. Now I just make it on the center. Be sure it's same to this point, 5 and 6, 5.5, little bit smaller, like this. So 11, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. I pin it. And this is my center pleat. So if I open, I have pleat on the center of side. I have small pleat where is head, and I have pleat on the corner like this. So I have to pin another side and just make seam here, and my bed skirt will be done. So I will start from beginning. I'll put it on the various line, fold it here, and start through it. I will make seam 1/2 inch. here is pleat. I put all fabric nice, like this, and like this. So put it together. They must touch each other. No space between pleats, just together. And again, make it very straight. Let's see what we have here. So here is our pleat. It looks nice, even here, and straight. Nice pleat. And I'll make all pleats same way. Now let's finish bed skirt. For that I will make this hem. First I will put it around this pleat, fold it with a crease, and make seam. When I turned, seam will be inside. And now I can make straight seam here. We have nice clean edge on the bed skirt, here and here. So here is our bed skirt. It looks nice to me. Here is on the center of bed pleat, pretty deep enough. One pleat, small one, on the edge of bed skirt. And we have pleat on the corner. It's not easy to show how it looks. I'll try. When we put it on the bed, it will be nice, straight pleat, like this. Believe me, it will be nice, I know. Okay, good luck on your project, and I hope you can do it yourself for you now. Thank you for watching. Bye now.